this is Jemima from Ghana, and I'm studying chemistry, master's in chemistry at Illinois State University. I'm a graduate student, so you are expected to do everything on your own. Mostly, the lectures are good, the assignments are also great. In a short period of time, you have a lot to do. So almost every time I'm busy. So I think it's engaging me to do more. Learning a different accent to start something better isn't easy. So I had to start everything all over by listening. I think I'm doing well. My teachers are so very helpful. I remember I wrote a literature review. From the beginning, I didn't get it right. So this professor keeps telling me, do this, do that. So she keeps correcting me. So it made me perfect. So I was challenged. The next time I saw my marks, I just had 100%. But really, who gets 100%? It's only Jemima. So great. I think my favorite class should be solid states. Yeah, solid states and material chemistry. I love my class. I'm enjoying chemistry in Illinois States.